Oh, good job, boys, man. Back with another little video for y'all, bro. Got some cool shit for y'all today. I ain't gonna lie. Damn! Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. Hold up. Right. But yeah, though. Y'all see me with the camera in the background, bro. I'm gonna get that out of the way. That one in the video, man. Y'all tune in, bro. Y'all make sure y'all stay to the end of the video. For real, for real. I got the whole little setup throughout the whole video. You know what I'm saying? At the end, we're gonna hear the audio, how that shit bumping for real, you know what I'm saying? How that shit played out. So yeah, I had these kickers. I switched them out. I put the P2s in there, and the P2s sound way better. All I gotta get is a new amp, little 1200, 1500 watt amp, and my shit gonna be sounding like the fucking party speaker. No cap. So yeah, but I just want to get this video out there, man. I ain't really too pressed on the amplifier right now. I got other shit to get. You know what I'm saying? We got more video, more content. You know what I'm saying? We got other more shit to do, bro. But yeah, make sure y'all stay to the end of the video, like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Comment what y'all want to see. Comment what, you know what I'm saying? What type of speakers y'all got, what type of subs y'all got in y'all car. Appreciate y'all boys, man. We out. I'm playing all Lil Rudy, gang. They're my twin, boy. Nigga, no copyright shit. Yeah. Right hand ripping all your shit while the left hand gripping it. I like to free now, ain't gotta tell you the dish. Do it on game, you know these bitch loyalty. But if for my mans, I'm trying to fight up for my man. Yo, so basically right here during this little this like 5 to 8 minutes of my boy right here, he cutting the wire, he putting the ground wire to the motherfucking spot. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can look through this real quick. It's a quick little time lapse. Bro putting it together. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see how to do it for y'allself. I ain't really finna explain it step by step, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta ask a nigga a question in the comments or some shit, bro. But yeah, though, shit, bro, right here gonna show y'all boys how to do it. This the LC2 setup and the amplifier setup. All he basically doing is putting these wires and connecting them to the actual systems, and then shit. That's really about it. But yeah, y'all boys keep tuning in, man. Appreciate y'all boys for real. Yeah.
fucking sense to me. This one's gonna be easy. But I don't have no fucking wire. Yes, we do.
Yeah, the black wire. Yo, so this is the wiring setup I have. You know what I'm saying? It's the LC2 right here.
Exactly.
And then so my battery is in the trunk on my charger, and this is the little fuse spot it's gonna go in. You know what I'm saying? Got my ground base in the trunk right where the subs at. Easy money. You know what I'm saying? And this is basically, I already kind of explained it later in the video, but this is kind of the shit already set up, drilled into the back of the sub to where it's, you know what I'm saying, I can listen to my speakers actually.
These niggas mad I rap, riding with an AP now with 100 shots in this bitch got a shoulder strap. Nah, I ain't never been friendly on folk. These niggas tell them niggas they can keep that down. Niggas be dissing the song, they know that it's on. Don't tell when nigga get clapped. All out the window.
So yeah, so I got this one screw right here. To, you know what I'm saying, have a little hole to that bit. But that motherfucker heavy. So yeah. So here's the LC2. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get y'all a better angle. So here's the LC2 that's connecting to the stock radio. I see I got the wires. That motherfucker is the control, the motherfucking, this the power basically, bro. This the negative and positive shit. Go to the amp. See, what is this the subs part. So this the amplifier. Saying got all that shit hooked up, ready to go. This the amplifier. And this the other part. And the rest of the cords go down under my seat, right? They go down under my seat. So they go down under my seat. This screw right here. So y'all see the wiring in the back. And that motherfucker go all the way under my seats. Goes all the way under my seats. Right up to the front right here. Under here. And my knob sits right here. So yeah, though. That's my quick little setup. This shit's pretty smooth. Yo, so we got the speakers installed, man. Them subs, boy, them P2s. You know what I'm saying? We got them P2s installed, right? Shit. Now I'm finna go sell these other speakers. Try to get me a new little camera. I got another camera right here. This shit we can fuck. But it's cool shit we can fuck though. Motherfucker don't got no audio on it. Y'all hear my twin though. Let me know if y'all nigga hear a difference in this motherfucker though.
Dave the Killer in Halloween. I told them boy to come and play, but they don't want to come outside.
They ain't want to come outside. Fuck wrong there. Huh.
If I watch that guy, I always like the vibe I'm getting.
Michael.
Yes. Yeah. She's just gonna be the money. Dancing like that, baby. Love some white people, I like it. Think my mama know I'm a thug. She like my body gang shit, I'ma let you have it. This ain't no game, it ain't. Shot a bitch at it cause he won't run that hit bitch hella ass. You ain't staring at your ass. Run around with Call of Duty guns, I turn onto a ghost. First I put me on my ass. Take him down for ransom for no reason. Tryna get nigga home. If it ain't my money, I ain't hearing you on my phone. Me up like it's such. You ain't getting cold. Little bit fucked on me, then for my brother. Then it little bit bold. I ain't tripping. That was the whole plan and she ain't even know. We hoes ain't shit, so we gon' strike them down like any money mo. Nigga claim they tripping, but they not, so we take all they know. Post you with a get it. I like a bad bitch that get steady when it's time to climb. When I get down, what you doing? You scared of something?
You scared of something, nigga?
Fuck wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with your ass, nigga?
You scared, man? I ain't got no pussy ass nigga, man. Get right. She shot caught out of the week. Like a track meet. My mama know I'm a thug. Really like my daddy. Fucking rapping. Everybody that gang shit, I'ma let him have it. Yeah. Shot a bitch ain't cause he wore a run and he bitch hella ass. You ain't staring at your ass. Y'all be saying keep rats, man. This ain't doing this.
Man, y'all stop being my nigga, man. I know little Rudy out here, bitch. Straight up. My nigga really out here rapping and shit, man.
The killer in Halloween.
Hold up.
I told him, boy.
Play some more shit.
Yeah. And for that shit, these niggas ain't got no purpose. These niggas don't wear their work. On back street, know I'm lurking. Cause his ass up like herb. Cowboy feel like I'm burning. Up but that shit gon' serve. You think he bigger than this shit? Cool, leave his ass on nerve. He need to go when I get it with him. Go make him a pick. I'm a one they know. I don't need no fish. Heard he wants to smoke, nigga with this. I ain't talking shit, but a ugly bitch. If you move around, I'ma probably pimp. Move what's the other side.
Yo, appreciate y'all boys staying to the end of the video, man. Hopefully this was a banger for y'all, bro. Hopefully y'all liked it, chopped it up, liked and subscribed to the video. Watch the whole video all the way through. You know what I'm saying? It was pretty quick and easy video, man. Simple shit. But let me know if y'all have any questions, y'all need any help putting y'all subs into y'all car or y'all charger. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me know, cause I got some experts and I'm beginner level. I ain't gonna lie, I'm beginner level. So I can call some people that's gonna get you right though. So yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in, man. Road to 500 subscribers, bro. That's what we on. Appreciate y'all boys, man. Peace out.